So what I got here is a occupancy sensor, but I'm also evaluating a sensor which over here is VEML7700. It's an I2C light sensor. So you can see the value coming from it up on the top line there, 622 lux. But additionally, I've got an analog sensor going into analog 0. That's this one over here. So there you can see me obscuring it with the finger. Over here's a light, and there's a push button, because you can turn this on manually even if it's bright. However, the moment you make it dark, the LED is going to come on like that, and you can set that time in software. Now the idea with this is that you can have the daylight sensor where it senses the daylight outside, and if occupancy is detected, then it will turn on the light inside the room that you're in. But also, if it is day but you want more light, you can just turn this on like that. So that's an interesting little project. It's a fairly straightforward thing to do. You just have the IR sensor, that input, that's an output, that's an analog in on analog 0, your Arduino Uno, and for interest I always add one of these I2C displays. The reason I don't work much with graphic displays is because the amount of time that one has to spend on doing development work on code for graphic displays, it takes forever. So that's why you see me using this display a lot, because it's a lot quicker. So that's going to wrap it up here, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Have an awesome day further. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.